And please don't tell me that I'm dreaming, when all I ever wanted was to dream another sunset with you. If I roll over when it's over, I'll take this Cali sunrise with me and wake up with the fondest memories. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song that was requested. This guy makes lots of requests and I love it. I appreciate it. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to get to them. I can't guarantee I'll get to every song, but I'll do my best. All right. So please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new guitar lessons and videos and stuff. All right. So please hit like too. It just means a lot to me when I get more likes. So please do that. All right. So for this song, this is how to play Jamie All Over by Mayday Parade. Really great song. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a capo on the first fret, and then everything is in relation to the capo. So whenever you have a capo on, it's like 0 fret, okay? So you put it on the first fret, and then it's in standard tuning. So the chords we're going to use for this song, we're going to do C. All right, we're also going to do G, and I think it's way easier if you just do this G. All right, where you just put your pinky down and put these fingers up here, just because you go from C to G typically, okay? So you're gonna do that G. You're also gonna use F. I use this F typically, but you could do the rip-off one where it's like an F major 7, I think is what it's called, but instead of doing C, you just go like that, so it's very similar to C. Just move these two fingers down so that your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the D string and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. So you could do that one too, but for our purposes, and the way I'm going to play it is with this F. Okay? You're also going to do A minor. Okay? So I'm showing you how to play this acoustically, all right? Now the strumming pattern is still very similar. In fact, I would say it's basically the same except for it might be a little bit different on like the verses, slightly different on the chorus, but you could play it like this as well. So this is more for like newbies, all right? So the way you're going to play this, you're going to start with C. So you're going to do down, up, down. Okay, so that's for the verses, that's what you're gonna do. Down, up, down. So you do that C first, all right? Down, up, down. I had a dream last night, and then you go to G after we. Down, up, down. Drove out to see Las Vegas. Then you go to F after Las Vegas. Then you do down, up, down. We lost ourselves in the bright lights. Down, up, down. I wish you could have seen us. And then you go to C after us. Down, up, down, begging for change to get home. And then you do G, or at least San Francisco. And then you do F after San Francisco. Let's put a 10 on the high card and spend a summer on the West Coast. Okay, so for that first verse, you're just gonna do C. So you do down, up, down. All right, you do C, and then you do G. Down, up, down. And then you do F. Down, up, down. Down, up, down. And then you start over, okay? So you just repeat it. All right, now for the part it's like the pre-chorus. All right, so what you're gonna do for this is that you're gonna start with A minor. You can play it however you want. You can play it soft, just down, up. You can do down and to the left. Okay, so you could just do down, up, down, up. All right, I think it sounds better if you're palm muting it, so you put this part of your hand as close as you can to that white bridge right there. Not on it, but right next to it, right in front of it, okay? And you hit the bass note. So you're gonna do down and to the left. There's a pep with a pen. There's a place you point it out, okay? So you're gonna do A minor, G, C. And then you do, here's a map and a pen. This place you point it out. Okay, so you do, on pen, you do F. So you do, down is A minor, down and two is G, to the left is C. Left is a map and a pen. Okay, pen is F. Pen, this place you pointed out, we can't. Okay, so you do can't is where you do A minor. Can't live for, okay, for is G, 4 years past. Okay, past is C. Past all I ask, all I ask. So you all I ask, and on the second ask you're gonna do F. Ask. All right. So then you could mute it. You could slap right before you do that, or you can just kind of let it ring out. All I ask. And then I think it sounds better if you mute it, and then you do and please. So then you go into the chorus, all right? So far we've done a couple different strumming patterns. The one for the chorus is also different, but it's not hard, okay? So the way you're gonna do this is you're gonna do, and please is where you start strumming, and you're gonna do C, all right? So you're gonna do, and please don't tell me that, okay? So what you're gonna do is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you do like that slap, or not slap, but hit, down, strum, and then you're gonna do, just go up, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down. All right, it takes my breath away when I do that. All right, so I'll show you where you do it. So you start with C and on please. And please don't tell me that I'm, let's see, please don't tell me that, okay, then you go on that, you go to F, that I'm dreaming with all, okay, so that is F, and then you do when all is A minor, so that's easy because all in A, so all I ever wanted, you go to G, okay, so you switch faster from A minor to G. When all I ever wanted is G, wanted was to dream is F, dream another sunset with you, Phi, okay, then you do I is C, and you start over. If I roll over, when, okay, then when is F, when it's over, I'll take, okay, take is A minor, I'll take this Cali sunrise, sunrise is G, sunrise with me, and wake up is gonna be F, wake up with the fondest memories, and then you just go right to the second verse, okay, so then when you start the second verse, you just do the same thing as you did the first one, C, and you do down, up, down, we made love by the ocean, as the waves crashed around you, okay, so then you go into that, all right? So then the second pre-chorus is the same, second chorus is the same, and then for the bridge, when you're doing memories, you're gonna do A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F, G, okay, and then you do C, but you're gonna play it very softly. I had a dream last night, we tried to see Las Vegas, we lost ourselves in the bright lights. Okay, so for what you're gonna do for this is you're gonna do C on I. I had a dream last night, and you could play it the same, you could do, I think it sounds better if you just play it softly. You can either do down, down, down. I had a dream last night, we went out, I drove out to see Las Vegas. And then you're not going to play anything after Vegas. You're going to do, we lost ourselves in the bright lights. Lights is where you play F, lights. Okay, and then you go to the next chorus. All right? And then for the outro of the song, you just do down and to the left. So you're just going to do A minor, G, C. Okay? That's how I play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments. If there's anything you'd like me to do differently or something like that. Just keep them constructive. Don't tell me you want me to have a different voice, because I can't do that. All right? All right, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time.